Session 27 of Module 3 of Fundamentals of Financial Management of 4th semester BBA of Mangalore University. In this session, we shall study the factors affecting cost of capital. Factors affecting cost of capital are financial risk, business risk, purchasing power risk premium, and other considerations. Financial risk. It is a type of risk which can affect the cost of capital of the firm, which was determined by the financial decision of the firm. The particular composition and mixing of different sources of finance, known as the capital structure, can affect the return available to the investors. Higher the proportion of fixed cost securities like debentures in the overall capital structure, greater would be the financial risk because there is a need for more amount of periodic interest payment and repayment of principal amount at the time of maturity. Under such situation, firm needs to have more operating income. If it fails to earn more return, company may move into cash insolvency. Recognizing this, suppliers of fund may lend money only at a higher cost. Second is business risk. Another factor affecting the cost of capital is the risk associated with the firm's promise to pay interest and dividends to its investors. The business risk measures the variability in firms' operating income or earnings before interest and taxes due to change in sales revenue. Every project has its effect on the business risk of the firm. If a firm accepts a proposal which is riskier than average present risk, the suppliers of fund will probably raise the cost of funds so as to be compensated for the increased risk. For instance, debenture holders may charge higher interest on their funds to compensate the increased risk. Purchasing power risk premium. Investor likes to maintain their purchasing power and therefore like to be compensated by the firm for the loss in purchasing power over the period of supply of funds. So over and above the real interest rate, the purchasing power risk premium is added to the cost of funds. Higher the expected rate of inflation, greater would be the purchasing power risk premium and consequently higher would be the cost associated with funds. Other considerations. The suppliers of fund may charge more cost due to many other factors. One such factor may be the liquidity or marketability of the investment. Cost of capital charged by the investor will be less if investment is highly liquid. If marketability to an investment is poor, then the investors may add a premium for this also and consequently may demand a higher rate of return. References.